There's the mother bird. Hello, mother bird. Can I come get closer? Can I? Can I? May I? Please don't be mad. We're not going to hurt you. No. Can we be friends?
Wait, is that the other bird?
Yes. Can we be friends? Oh, where are you?
Right over there.
Oh, it's okay. I'm talking to this bird. Hello, mother bird. Can we be friends? We're not going to bother you. I just want to vlog you. Is it okay? Is it okay? Oh, okay. I'll be nice, promise. I'll be nice. Where's your baby bird? Do you have your baby bird there with you? You do?
I think, but
Is your baby bird safe?
I don't see it.
Is your baby bird safe?
I think they're just eggs.
Oh, is it just egg? Don't worry, we won't get your eggs.
Oh, the father's getting close.
Well, the father bird is here. Hello, father bird. Where are you?
The female. The female
Don't
left
worry.
to stay in the nesting. Right there, right.
Are you thinking about it? Do you want to be friend with me? I'm Marilyn. How about you? Can I call you Trisha?
Are you scared of the bird?
Can I call you Trisha? Oh, you like that name?
I think the bird just wants you to leave.
No, she's not telling I need to leave. I speak like a bird too. Tweet, tweet, tweet.
No. She's getting angry. The father's getting closer, and I'm afraid he's gonna attack us. So we might want to leave.
No, we're fine. We're fine. Well, we don't live here. Yeah, we live far away. Far away. It's
you don't have to worry about us coming back ever again.
It's about 90 miles, I think. So we're just gonna be friends and say hi. Okay?
What's the father?
And I hope you'll have more babies when we get back here next year.
I think the baby's gonna be fledged.
Will you remember us, Trisha?
Probably not.
I think you'll remember us. We're nice people. We won't hurt you. Promise. Yeah. Maybe we could bring our squirrel friend. My squirrel friend. You think? You think I can bring my friends, Georgette, Georgina, and...
Wait, did the squirrels literally come up to you?
Yeah, I have 3 squirrel friends. Alright, well, it was nice meeting you. Thank you for being so nice.
I don't think she was being nice.
Yeah, she's being nice. Look at that. She's not charging, so she's being nice.
No,
She just wants someone to talk to.
Come on, we gotta go.
So, alright. Have a good day. Bye-bye.